In today's video, I wanted to break down several different ways you can find a job as a video editor in 2025. Number one is starting your own brand. So something like creating a YouTube channel, something like having your own filmmaking business. There's actually a lot of YouTube channels that are faceless that have just people editing it. An example of that is something like a title, "When Dogs Saved Humans." So here's a bunch of different clips of that exact same thing happening. And then when you scroll down, here's this video right here. Animal Secrets, 50 dogs that saved or helped people and other animals. When you watch the video, it's just a compilation of those videos with voiceover to make it original. So if you go search the channel name on something like Social Blade, you're able to get an overlook of that channel and see how it's doing. So 2,300 subscribers, 670,000 views, $168 to $2,700 per month, and then yearly estimated earnings 1.3 to 21,000. And of course, these numbers could be off, could be lower, could be higher. The next is going to Craigslist, and when you click on jobs, instead of jobs, switch over to gigs, and then search video. And I've actually had quite a bit of success doing it this way. A lot of people just go to jobs, but under gigs, you'll find a lot of editing jobs, video jobs. Third is a website called Upwork.com. On Upwork, you just search video editor, and you'll just find a constant posting of jobs. This is how I've been a YouTube video editor now for over 6 years, and this was how I got my first job, was through Upwork. So I can say it does work, but I did send out applications for about 2 months before I got my first job. But here, YouTube video editor, video editor, video editor for social media content, social media, video editor, sync audio with existing video footage. So there's just a lot of different jobs. Now the last one is YouTubejobs.co. It's actually ytjobs.co. And when you go to jobs, there is a lot of jobs that get posted here. So you can go to video editor. You can switch from full-time, part-time, or just projects or gigs, locations, and you'll be able to find full-time jobs like here, remote 48 to 60,000. It'll also show you who it's posted by, how many subscribers they have. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it helps this channel to grow. And thank you so much for watching. Right, Mary? Yeah. Thank you for watching.